Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gloria Turner, and I'm going to be doing a presentation on the IRT Live Indiana Repertory Theater. And this is my project and proposal on changes and improvements. The mission statement of the IRT is to live theater and basically to connect everyone to have a top quality experience. I'll read the mission statement. Live theater connects us to meaningful issues in our lives and has the power to shape the human experience. The mission of the Indiana Repertory Theater is to produce top quality professional theater and related activities, providing experiences that will engage, surprise, challenge, and entertain people through their lifetimes, helping us to build a vital and vibrant community. And I believe that the IRT does just that. Their targeted audiences are not anyone in specific. The IRT is embracive of inclusivity, embracing all races and ages of diversity. So they have plays that can entertain children as well as any age. There's no specific race or nationality that is invited to their theaters. They are embracive of all diversity. The volunteer impact, as you can see, has had 325 volunteers totaling 5,299 hours. Volunteering is vital to any organization, especially a nonprofit. Volunteering is a way to give back to a community that has so graciously given to us. And what better way to do that and enjoy a show at the same time? The IRT gives back. During their Scrooge Gives Back event, they had a donation amount of 29 units of blood. They gave away 249 tickets to community organizations to view A Raisin in the Sun, which is one of my favorite plays. They also gave 400 tickets to community members to participate in a public reading of James Steele plays. I want to highlight the financial report that was viewed in the 2017-2018 season. In the pie chart, you can see all the contributions broken down from the foundation, corporate, and individual, and how they are getting their funding for this organization. The IRT is great in a whole. It's a wonderful place for you to embrace the arts and expose yourself to something different. However, the IRT should actively seek volunteers to offset some of the costs of the organization. Even though previously noted, they have 325 volunteers and have accumulated 5,299 hours of community service. They could get more volunteers if they were to go out and get the word out and let people know that they need volunteers. You could reach out to colleges. Kids are always looking for volunteer opportunities. Scholarships depend on individuals who are engaged in their communities, and what better way to do that? I propose that they volunteer individuals to go ahead and start a marketing team that would allow them to put tickets on Eventbrite for individuals to go to orientation to be a part of the volunteer team. This can go a long way. It's free to advertise on there, and there are always people looking for new opportunities. And that's one way to get started, but the volunteering opportunity could definitely be revamped. It is very easy to access information to become a volunteer. You just have to start an account, and they show you a calendar that lets you know what volunteer days are available, how many ushers are needed for that particular day, and there's not a severe background check or anything like that. You can volunteer pretty much the same day that you sign up, which is pretty great. In my closing, I am an active volunteer of the IRT since 2016. I have watched my very first play in 2016, and they just really exposed me to a different culture. And that experience really shaped me into really liking to see plays and opening my mind to different types of entertainment. The pictures that you see here are me volunteering at A Christmas Carol, Behind the President's Shoulder, and A Rising in the Sun. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and give some consideration to revamping the volunteer opportunities and making it more accessible to college students and possibly individuals who are retired who are looking for something to do. Thank you for your time.